Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing the account and device so parental controls apply correctly. Sign into Chrome with your Google account, make sure Chrome is updated, and decide whether to create a supervised profile or use Family Link. Once signed in, open Chrome, //settings and go to People or Family Link settings to begin. You do this now because controls tied to profiles enforce rules across sites and devices. Setting sync helps keep rules consistent. Make sure the child's profile is separate from yours. Now configure the detailed filters and limits that enforce safe browsing. In Family Link, choose the child account, then enable Safe Search and select content restrictions. Add blocked or allowed sites manually to refine control. Once done, set screen time limits and bedtime schedules so usage stops automatically. For added control, use Chrome extensions that enforce filtering, but make sure extensions are managed by the parent account to prevent removal. These steps reduce exposure to inappropriate content and manage daily usage. Finish by verifying the rules on the child's device and running test visits to blocked sites to confirm they're blocked. Monitor activity through Family Link reports and adjust filters or time limits as needed because behavior and needs change. If a site still loads or controls don't apply, make sure the child is signed into the correct supervised profile, confirm sync is on, and remove any unmanaged extensions. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out and back in, then restart Chrome. This often forces policy updates to take effect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.